Hello. Are you ready? Vin, are you ready? Yes, give the shirt a high five. Very good. How are you today? I'm happy. What is your name? My name is Vin. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, let's start. What is this? Shirt, jacket. What is it? These are socks. It's a sweater. Vin, okay now. Vin, where is the shirt? Shirt. Shirt. Where is the sweater? Sweater. Sweater. Okay, let's proceed. What is it? It's a bird. It's a feather. With I. It's a tree. It's a nest. It's an egg. Okay, now where is the bird, Vin? Very good. This is the bird. How the feather? Feather. 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 Vin, where is the tree? How about the tree? Tree. 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 Okay, Vin, that's the end of our test. High five. Goodbye.